Hello everyone, welcome to Off to Outstanding, and today we are going to start a very new series, 2-minute uses, in which I will be giving you extreme gyan within 2 minutes. So without wasting any more time, let's find out. So the topic of today's video is 8 things you must check before buying an athletic or sports shoes and how to make them last longer. Number 1, don't make your shoe multitask. Don't use the same shoe for every occasion. Different shoes are meant for different purposes. Like the walking shoe is more stiffer, whereas a running shoe is more flexible and is provided with extra cushioning to absorb greater impact. Know the difference. Number 2, know your foot. See, there are different sizes available in the market, so you must know which size is yours. Buy the correct size of the shoes which fits you well, or otherwise regret. Number 3, wear socks inside shoes. Now there are people who don't wear socks inside shoes, and that is disgusting. By doing so, they not only harm the interior of the shoe, but they also damage their own foot. Number 4, the size of the shoe should be a little bit bigger than your own foot. See, there should be a little bit gap between your heel and the interior of the shoe, like about a thumb's width. This is because in case your foot grows, your shoe will last a bit longer. Number 5, don't over or underpay. See, never be afraid to spend a little bit more money on shoes. Spending value money for the right shoe is always worth it, but at the same time you must also keep that in mind that you are not spending any amount of money for any kind of shoe. You should know the worth of the shoe and your own money. Number 6, ignore recommendations from friends. Like if you are giving me an excuse that you bought the same pair of shoes your friend is wearing just because he won a marathon in it, it doesn't make any sense. He has won the marathon probably because of his own foot and not because of the shoes. Don't fall for such traps. Use your own mind. Number 7, don't compromise comfort completely for style. If you do so, then chances are you might see your ankle twisted someday. Don't fall for the outer design every time. See what's inside the shoe. Number 8, color does make a difference. Now you might not be knowing this, but color does make a difference. For example, the shoes which have black colored soles are made up of carbon rubber, which is comparatively heavier as it is used for manufacturing car tires, and therefore it is more durable, whereas the white soles or the colored soles are made up of blown rubber, which is comparatively lighter because it is made up of a softer material and therefore it is less durable. So that's all for today's video from my side. These were the 8 things you must check before buying an athletic or sports shoe. If you like this video, drop us a like down below and share your reviews with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you next week.